what I'm going to do is I'm going to try I'll bank right across here. I've been trying to practice how the best way to do it is.
All right.
We'll get a flight before we start shooting, so we don't want to kill it right off.
What's that?
These are a little less powerful.
These are power. These are pretty powerful.
These won't even nick that.
Hey Todd, it ain't coming on.
No, hold on. Oh, that was a good hit. Somebody got it.
Man, I need auto.
Yeah.
Come on,
sorry,
Todd, you're killing me, man.
Sorry, dude.
I don't get auto?
Oh.
You got different color paint.
Oh, man.
The ball is going all around you. I got to start watching the airplane go.
Come on, you got to bring that thing in nice and slow and low, Randy.
Okay, here she comes.
Surely not fair.
Whoa, don't point it at me, though. Oh, yeah! Parts are falling off. Parts are falling off.
Come on, Randy, get her close.
Oh, they shot it down.
It's pretty strong, man.
Oh, yeah.
I'm
out. You're out of paint? Alright. That's the problem with fully auto.
Parts are falling.
He's out of paint.
Oh.
Look at Tom running out of the field.
Hey, you forgot to say on the field.
On the field.
Run over you with
On the field, Randy.
Yeah, he's got a cold beer in his left hand, a gun in his right.
Oh!
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my God. There we go.
Whoa, whoa.
There she goes.
What was that?
Not too close.
Oh, shit, Randy.
Drunk pilot, drunk pilot.
Uh-oh.
No! He shoots it down.
How the hell did you get it on the top?
Wow, look at that. Nice.
That's perfect paint.
It's perfect because it stays together, man.
What made it fly? Break it out back here.
Oh, did it break?
Oh, this is where we're breaking?
Yeah.
I've seen parts coming.
But see, none of this broke, but back here where it was real thin at.
Yeah, I seen the pieces falling down. I was